Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, you need to tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up, Allow all in the second one and whatever you want to in the third one. Now also tap on whatever you want to in this pop-up about new updates, and when you finished, tap on your device's displays. Following that, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some div pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and use Receive button to connect. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait as well. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!